Hi guys, today I tried a lockdown recipe with my grandmother, which is a version of noodles recipe. Come, let's see. First, heat the pan and add a few teaspoons of oil. Then add thinly sliced onions and green chilies. Give it a nice mix.
Love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my
Then
love.
add thinly sliced strips of carrots.
Been waiting for you, my
Saute well.
love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love.
After that, add salt to taste. Give a good mix again and add tomatoes and red chilies ground to a fine paste.
You have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I
Mix
know
well.
that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give
Then
my
add
life
half a
away.
teaspoon
Never
of
let
garam
me,
masala.
never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love.
Combine well.
Waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours. My love is forever yours.
Then comes the secret ingredient, add sugar. Finally, add the cooked noodles and give a nice mix again. And that's all guys, your noodles is ready.